Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo A78 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to add Google account to your device Oppo A78 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to Google Play Store and click on sign in button there. It will check in your info just right. Now you go to include your email ID to add. Just here you can include your email or phone number. Okay, so here just I write my email Durai Prince at gmail.com. Click on next. In the next screen, you are required to enter your Gmail password. Just type your password. I am typing my password. Yes, I have typed my password. This is my password. I have typed and click on next. It shows wrong password, so enter your password again. You have to type your password correctly. I may have typed my password wrongly, so that now I have typed it correctly and click on next. Yes, if you have enabled any two-step verification, it will ask. Otherwise it will not ask. Just to complete this two-step verification, and then only you can enter into your phone. Okay, now yes, I have done authentication from another phone, and now my phone is asking whether you are going to use your device or your child will be using this device. Okay, if you hand over this device to your child, choose second one. Otherwise choose first one and click on next. Click on I agree. Google services are loading, just wait. Read the terms and conditions and click on accept. Yes, Google account is now added to your device. Now you can use Google Play services and other Google services from your phone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.